Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to install Foundry. If you come to the official documentation page of Foundry, which is getfoundry.sh, and you come to the installation, you see the guide on how to install it on Windows. Actually, if you run this batch command directly, it will not work because it is majorly framed for MacBook user. But if you want to install it for Windows, you can see that it was specified that you will need git batch or WSL, which is Windows subsystem. So what you need to do is first to install Git if you don't have it installed, and I think majority we have Git installed already, but in case you don't have it installed, you can just come to Google and press download Git batch, and you can just come here and download Git. So once you download Git, you select for Windows and you install it, and then you'll be fine. So once you install it, then you automatically have Git batch. So you can just come to your start menu, search for Git batch, and you open it. So once you open it, you come here, then you come back to the documentation side, then you copy this command. So once you copy this command, you paste it here, and you press enter. Then you can see the instruction that says run source, then you copy this source. So once you copy it, you paste it, and you press enter. So after that, you then simply run Foundry up. So you just run Foundry up, and with that it will install and download Foundry for you. So once the installation has been completed, then you just run forge version to check if it was successfully installed. You can see that it was successfully installed.